don set. Listen to me, make you for learn. The king of the game is now eventually the learner of the game, as they have dealt with Ijele like no man business. But for truth, this Nigerian judicial system, the get way wey dey favour those wey be like say you get money, and the way dey punishalize those wey be say not get money. Few hours ago, we heard that EFCC have finally had a permission to go and arrest Yaya Bello. But information coming out again that Jagabandi has said nobody should go and arrest the ex-governor Yaya Bello. That was the ex-governor of Kogi State for over 84,000 billion fraud. How will you be that? All right, let's jump into what happened to Ijele. Say breaking Abuja Magistrate Court strike out cyber criminal intimidation case against blogger Ijele as prison officer thwart police move to rearrest him. The Chief Magistrate Emmanuel Inyana, while ruling on the bail application filed through his lawyer on Thursday, struck out the case for lack of jurisdiction. The magistrate court in Abuja has struck out the case bordering on criminal intimidation, threat to life, cyber stalking, and cyberbullying filed against social media influencer Ofu Bochukwu, popularly known as Ijele. The Chief Magistrate Emmanuel Iwaya, while ruling on the bail application filed through his lawyer on Thursday, struck out the case for lack of jurisdiction. The judge also ordered the police to arraign the blogger before a competent court of law to enable the defendant take his plea in the line with the provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice 2015. The jail application last week suffered a setback as a result of the absence of the Chief Magistrate Emmanuel Inyana, who claimed to be sick. He said, delivering his ruling on the bail application, Inyana ruled that the defendant be arraigned before the Federal High Court, where the prosecution claimed to have filed charge against him. He added that there was no charge before his court against the blogger and that his court lacked jurisdiction to entertain the case. There is no current case pending before this honorable court. I hereby strike out this matter. The Chief Magistrate head addressing journalists after the court proceeded. Ijele lawyer Marvis Omorubi said the court had adjourned to today ruling on our bail. The ruling was delivered, but the court felt the proper place to continue proceeding is at the federal court. So he rather struck out the matter, and striking out the matters means all the order that were obtained in the case ceased to exist, because at it today there is no case at the magistrate court, and we will be taking steps now to ensure that Ijele is released immediately and unconditionally. If there's no other reason why the prosecutor needs to prosecute him, we'll wait for them at the Federal High Court. As today, there's no justification to remain in jail. Meanwhile, armed policemen, uniform and mudfee laid siege to the court premises with the aim. It was suspected that they were on standby to rearrest Ijele shortly after the ruling. The prison officer had not brought the blogger to the court when the magistrate was giving his ruling in the case. But as the time Ijele was brought to the court, the proceedings had ended. Meanwhile, a mean drama played out outside the courtroom when police officer in Mufti approached the prison officer who brought Ijele to sign a warrant of arrest to enable them to rearrest the blogger. But the prison officer turned down the request as he refused to sign the document, telling the police officer that he could not sign such a document in court. A source who spoke to Sahara Reporter on Condition Anonymous said the normal complaint Evangelist Zion Prayer Ministry Movement Outreach has openly bragged that the blogger will spend close to 1 year in prison to teach him the lesson of his life. The jail has kept in the Kefi Correction Center in Nasarawa State since March 2020 for alleged criminal intimidation, threats to life, cyber stalking, and cyberbullying against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Prayer Minister Movement Zion. So as it stands right about now, so they say Ijele they just struck out the case. But Ijele will never agree seeing whether the later they arrest am because after the drama come, right? A partner so I reporter they bring her say, I will just go check on Ijele work. He never come as and they had me. So that maybe later in the day, Ijele will be released, but still so Ijele doesn't learn some more lesson. You know say no drag people, you know say no talk, but if you dey do your things, no dey make sure that you go kpai people, you go kpai people. Right about now, so even your guy dey say, but na IPOB na dey arrest you. Your arrest no concern IPOB. Are you an evangelist? Ebuka abi na the issue. Tell us what you think. Ijele, if you eventually come outside, learn. If not, remember, person wey arrest you, the person like you. Some men dey do underground. Some men dey do underground. So who arrest you? Na your friend. Because some will go for arrest. If you follow underground, they go be you. You go declare you missing. You get the point now. More from